introduction of the physiological and
What's
psychological
wrong with this
functions
man?
that are necessary for the survival and fertility. So in Ayurveda, we all know that aging is due to the Dhatukshay and the Ojakshay. So aging is nowadays a global concern because of the rising the dependency ratio and the age-related disorder. So Nidra, we all know that Trayavastambha iti ahara sapna brahmacharya. So Nidra is one of the three pillars mentioned in the Charak Samhita. So it is essential for the longevity, strength and well-being. So methodology, we collect the information from the various classical Ayurvedic texts like Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Ashtanga and the various commentaries, and from the modern databases like the Scopus, Google Scholar and the Dhara, etc. And keywords we use that circadian rhythm, sleep, rasayan, telomere, inflammation and the Yog Nidra. So understanding the Nidra, as I mentioned that Nidra is one of the Trayavastambha. So it is the Nidra definition of Nidra in mentioned in the Charak Samhita that Vedatu manasi klante karmatman klamanitaha vishayabha nirvattamde tadasaviti manabhava. So in the modern perspective, it has been mentioned that sleep is a vital biological necessity for the impacting both the mental and the physical health. It is a dynamic activity of the brain that is crucial for the tissue repair, hormonal balances and the overall well-being. So global health survey indicates that the inadequate or the poor quality of sleep is connected with the various chronic illnesses and the premature mortality. So now what is the Jara or Bardhika? In Sushruta Samhita, Jara has been mentioned as one of the Savavala Pravitya Vyadhi, Sudha Pipasa Yara Mitunidda Pravitayo. So aging is influenced by some internal and the external factors. The internal factors like the Sarira, Indriya, Shatta, Agni, Bal, etc. And the external factors like the improper diet, the Asatma Indriyartha Samyog, and the various stresses that can lead to the Akalaja Vriddhavastha, that is the premature aging or the progeria. Now what is the progeria? The signs of progeria are in the physical manifestations like Bali, Palitya, Khalitya, Shukra, Pravartanam, Ojakshay and the Mamsa Saithilya. And the psychological indicators देखा जाए तो मेधा हानि, बल हानि, अवसन्नता, स्मृति हानि, उत्साह हानि, etc. So we can correlate the modern aging theories in Ayurveda like the wear and tear theory with the Dhatukshay due to the Vishamagni and the Bhatavritti. The waste accumulation theory we can correlate with the Agni Vaishamo that can ultimately lead to the Amadpatti. Usmana Alpa Valatyana Dhatu Madhyam Apachitam Dushtamaavashayagatam Rashamagam Prachikshate. And the free radical theory we can correlate with the influence of Prakriti, and the mutation and telomere theory we can correlate with the Kala or Parinam. So now the Nidra's profound impact on aging, अगर आयुर्वेद में देखें तो निद्रायत्तम सुखम दुखम पुष्टिकारसम बलाबलम विशद क्लिवता ज्ञानम ज्ञानम जीवितम नच. So I can divide this into the three main points, that's the cellular regeneration, immune enhancement and the hormonal balances. Now these are the scientific evidences that we can say that the sleep has a profound role on the aging. The number one is the telomere preservation. Some studies show that a clear link between the poor sleep quality and the telomere length, highlighting the sleep's role in maintaining the protective chromosome capacity. And the oxidative stress reduction, neuroprotective effects during the sleep. The lymphatic system detoxifies the brain. Now, the Yog Nidra, it can be a modern approach for the deep restoration. We all know that it is a hypnagogic state between the state of wakefulness and state of the sleep. So now these are some studies that showing that the Yog Nidra's positive impact on the various health parameters, including the reduced inflammations and the improved the hormonal balance and enhance the sleep quality. So डिस्कशन में ये एक स्टडी में देखा गया ऐसा मोलर लेवेट CS एटियोल करके, इसमें देखा गया 26 इंडिविजुअल को लगातार एक हफ्ते के लिए रेस्ट्रिक्टेड स्लीप में डाला गया. उसके बाद हम लोग का ब्लड टेस्ट किया गया, तो और एक टेस्ट भी किया गया जिसमें RNA ट्रांसक्रिप्टोम एनालिसिस. उसके बाद देखा गया देयर इज अ अल्टरेशन ऑफ 711 genes. Those genes were linked to the circadian regulation, chromatin remodeling and the inflammation, immunity, etc. So we can conclude here that the sleep is very much essential for maintaining the strength, radiant skin, immune resilience, etc. So conclusion में यही हम कह सकते हैं कि sleep is an essential physiological function which have the rasayan-like properties, and in the modern science it is been recognized that the poor sleep quality is linked with the very much chronic illness and the premature mortality. So Yog Nidra can be a further extend those benefits, offering the psychological resilience and hormonal equilibrium. So these are the key takeaways and these are references. Thank you. Om Namah Parvati Padaya Har Har Mahadev.